I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and supplies. Confirm your phone supports NFC, and pick NTAG 215 or NTAG 216 cards for best compatibility. Once done, install a trusted NFC writing app so you can write URLs, contact cards, or V-cards. Make sure to charge your phone to at least 50% and remove any thick wallet case that blocks the tag. Begin with a single blank card to test. This avoids wasting inventory. Now you build the payload. Craft a short URL or V-card with name, title, phone, and a single primary link for tracking. In the app, pick the correct tag type and the content template. Preview thoroughly because nuking errors later is harder. Place the phone sensor over the tag center, tap right, and watch for the success confirmation. After writing, read the tag back to verify data is correct and opens the right page. If it fails, try repositioning and rewriting once more. Finish by deciding whether to leave the tag rewritable for updates or to lock it permanently. Remember, locking prevents future edits, so use it for final batches only. Test each finished card with several phones and browsers to ensure the link, V-card, or action behaves consistently. If a tag fails, reformat and rewrite. If problems persist, check for physical damage or wrong tag type and replace. One key troubleshooting tip: if phones can't read a tag, remove any protective case and retest. Signal obstruction is common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.